Hello, this is Joy Farrington with Realty Executives. I'd like to welcome you to an open house that we're having on Saturday from 11 until 1 at this fabulous, extraordinarily beautiful home on the corner of Talley and Staunton. The address is 1600 Staunton Street. This property has an extremely, I'm going to pan a little bit here for you. It has an extremely large patio here. It's just made for entertaining. We have golf course views over here. It's in the village of Belle Aire. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. There are so many features in this home. It isn't quite yet on the market. We're just having an open house on Saturday. We invite you to stop by. It's just had a new roof put on it, and it's got so many wonderful design features that it's worth looking at. Again, 11 until 1 on Saturday, 1600 Staunton Street. Call me with any questions you may have on this open house. My number is 760-702-4657. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you here.